My name is Paweł Drobek. I work in GRAW in machines department. I am in flexo. I can say that in the printing industry like more than 16 years.
My name is Michał Brendzel. I'm working in GRAW as sales director. GRAW is a company which is working on the Polish market in flexography area more than 25 years.
We are working with Edale, like in the machine department, the world, I can say, champion in the flexography and the digital machines. So we are working like, I think now more than 1 year. We love to work with Edale. The machines are very not automatic, but I think that the machines are autonomic.
Yeah, highly autonomic. That impressive. You should visit the Edale plant and or book online live demo and look on this machine. Check how it works because it's impressive everything.
Yeah, Edale is very flexible. You can come here to very impressive demo room, or if you don't have such time at the beginning, you can book your online time from the demo room, for example.
Yeah, especially FL5 is very nice machine for carton boxes, and this is something unique on the market, especially with this all solutions implemented in this machine. Really, I can say about one our customer. This is a secret for now yet. But this is a very nice case, very nice situation, because this is a big offset company and they love FL5 line, carton board line, not only the printing machine, because we're talking about the full line, and this is a very good example because today on the market. This is this direction which Edale choose on the market, and I see how many possibilities we see not only on the Polish market, similar to this case.
This company is loved in the sentence, innovate, not complicate.
Yeah.
If you would like to know more about Edale, to learn how the machine looks like, how the solutions looks like, what are the profits you can get, please do not hesitate to contact Edale at edale.com or directly on our email like paweł.drobek@graw.pl. So please contact, you will be happy.